and welcome to another studio vlog. This is like a vlogmas edition of the studio vlog. So if you don't know, I am trying to partake in vlogmas this year, which is like a challenge where you try and vlog every single day. So obviously I'm in the studio today, so because it's Monday, although you'll be seeing this on Tuesday because I'm like behind a video day. Anyway, and basically I'm in the studio, so it's going to be a studio vlog version of Vlogmas, and you'll probably be getting a few of these, which hopefully you'll like. But Black Friday has just been, and we put a sale of 20% in our Etsy shop, and it has been going crazy. I am so overwhelmed. Thank you so much to anyone who supported my Etsy shop. It really does mean the world. Emily and Mike are doing overtime. They are in at the moment. It's Emily's normal shift day today, but Mike doesn't normally work on Monday, so he's coming for overtime, and Emily's doing half a day overtime tomorrow. So later on today I will be doing orders and things, so it'll be kind of a packing order vlog, and it'll kind of be just a day vlog because that's what Vlogmas is, just documenting each and every day. So you'll kind of get to see, not in real time as per se, but you'll kind of get to see the structure of my day from start to finish. I literally got up this morning, got ready and came straight to work, so you miss nothing at home. But for now I'm going to record a Q&A video for my Patreons. Then after that I need to send off some thank you cards. We've also sold out of a lot of stuff, so I need to reorder a lot of materials and stuff for like our pin banners and our pin hoops. And then yeah, we're going to get on packing orders and see how many we can power through. It's kind of like a mini challenge to see how many we can actually get through, so that's what we're going to be doing today. So first of all I'm going to turn you off, and then I'm going to turn you back on because I'm going to record a Patreon Q&A. So see you in a little bit. So cold.
In the quiet evening, snow is falling, and from every window shines a light. Somewhere in the distance drums are calling, but no one heeds their call tonight.
So I finished my design. I did like a cute "'Tis the season to be jolly", and I put ginger and spice down here, inspired from the Vlogmas that I've been doing. And then the backing card I just kept simple because I'm in a massive rush, and I just added some like little snowflakes and everything. I didn't add the Santa hats or anything because I really need to jump on orders and get some orders processed. But I'm just trying to order this through Instant Print. I'm also uploading my Patreon Q&A. I'm trying to order this through Instant Print, but I'm having a nightmare, so I've had to order it on Safari for some reason. I have no idea why, but it's just taking forever. Done. I've just managed to order all them. So let's jump on orders with Mike and Emily for the rest of the day. Also, this plant is dead. Rip plant. I'm so sorry. How are you getting on?
Very well, very well.
Wow, that's a big pile of orders over here. Look at that. What the heck? That's so many orders. Oh, what the flip. Oh, more orders. Look at all these. Thank you so much, guys, if you ordered this week. We've been busy away. Mike has been an absolute trooper today and been powering through, and so is Emily, but Emily's more of the chilled one, I feel like, in this office right now. Are you excuse me? You know when to do that to your boss. Excuse me. Yeah. What are you doing at the minute? Designing some pin banners?
Yeah.
Cool.
We
have so many containers today. So is this space for me to package orders? Over there, I think.
Do you want to know how many orders we've done today?
How many?
We've done 77 so far today.
Oh my gosh, high five. Oh yeah. That was the most disappointing fact. Let's like do this. Yeah, that was more satisfying.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew.
So it's about 7 PM and I'm just about shutting up shop for the day. And I'm gonna go home and get some tea because I haven't had anything to eat yet. I'm looking a little bit rough. I'm freezing cold. It's really, really cold in the studios for whatever reason. I don't think the radiators are working or anything. But I'm gonna pack up my laptop because I'm gonna do some work at home. Q&A video for Patreon hasn't uploaded because my internet hasn't worked for some strange reason, and I checked the back of the internet router to see what was going on, and it had unplugged. So I think I'd pushed the computer back and it had unplugged the router box, so my Q&A hasn't uploaded. So yeah, it doesn't look like it's uploaded at the minute. Oh yay! So I'll just quickly share this then. I'm gonna put my jacket on first because it's freezing. Thank God this is nice and cozy and warm. I'm gonna share this and then I'm gonna head off home, I think. So underneath my desk here, I kind of have like drawers with all my crafting tools and stuff in, and I really need some command clips for some Christmas lights at home. And look at this packing. I literally have one and no sticky pads. Well, that's a bit of a disaster. I'm sure I bought a brand new pack. Oh, I think I've just seen some underneath here. They must have slipped. Yay! Yeah, but where's the sticky pads? That's the most important thing, isn't it? I need this. Sticky things. Is that them? No, that's not them. They're like these little clear strip things. And you would assume they would be in here. But they are not. Aha! I found them. Have to make sure all the electrics are switched off. I've got a little lamp on over there, so I need to make sure I turn that off. Sometimes in the night time, I like to work in the dark. Not in the dark, but with that little lamp on when it's usually on. My trusty fire extinguisher doorstop. I have to turn all like the hall lights and stuff off. This bit's a scary bit. Because honestly, this building makes so many strange noises at night. I'm pretty sure it's haunted. I mean, look at that dark corridor of death. Ain't nobody wanna get trapped in there. Hello, Daisy.
Did you just drive not?
Hello, Daisy. Look at you. Do you want some tummy rubs? Hello, Daisy. How have you been? What? Do you want fluffs? Do you want a stroke? You're so cute. Dean, you didn't turn the Christmas lights on. Ta-da! Oh, it looks more like Halloween lights. What? Dean always has a front room so dark. I like to have lights, cozy lights and everywhere. I need to hang my bag up as well. Okay, I'm going to attempt to put the curtain light up that I bought of those command clips. Should be able to attach it. Oh, the only thing is I've got like a trim thing at the top of the window, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Dean said I have to wait because he's made me some tea. Ooh, what is it?
Chicken dinner.
Chicken dinner! Winner, winner, chicken dinner! That looks nice. Thanks, Dean.
It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas, I only wanna be close to you.
I did it, but these are not very good. This one has like a weird end to it. And yeah, look, it ends, that's the lead. So I had to put the star up there so it just randomly ends here, but it'll do, it looks pretty. What do you think, Dean? Apart from this one, oh, that's so annoying. But it looks quite cute. I like multicoloured stuff. Plus, thanks for supervising me. Anyway, I'm going to end the vlog here, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. The studio vlogs will resume as normal studio vlogs in the new year. For the meantime, it'll be vlogmases, so it'll be more like a true day-to-day thing of the studio vlog, so you get to see exactly what I do each day, even though I try and record that anyway. My studio vlogs, this is from start to finish during Vlogmas, because I'm attempting to vlog every single day. If you want to check out my other Vlogmases, there will be a playlist on this channel and my other vlog channel, and yeah, you'll be able to kind of switch between the two. And if you want to go head over there and subscribe on my vlog channel, that would mean the world, wouldn't it, Days? Yeah, it would. Oh, thank you for the kisses. Oh, thank you. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 4. Alright then, I love you. Goodbye. Goodbye.